Hello, my name is Christian Jacobsen. I'm going to talk to you about the most awesome, coolest and best parasol base in the world. My girlfriend's dad, he was so annoyed about the regular parasol bases. He couldn't move them. The parasol was always crooked like this, and the rusty screws, they were just so annoying. That's why we invented a parasol base with no tube, no screws, totally stable and very easy to move. The product consists of 4 elements: one base, one locking ring, 4 L shapes, and then of course the 2 sandbags. The parasol fits any pole size between 28 and 58 millimeters. We have 2 versions, 30 kilo, which is a maximum of 3 meter parasol, and then a 50 kilo, which is a maximum of 3.5 meter parasol. It's super simple. You take the L shapes and put them into the base. The material here, that is PA6, it's a composite material, and it can last outside. It's an outdoor material. It's the same material that are found in most car engines. It can be used all season, frost, secure, everything. Position the ring on top, parasol in, position the L shapes close to the pole and push the ring down. The ring functions as a cable tire, so it really sticks around the pole. Push the lower ring up when you want to take it apart. To stabilize the parasol base, we use something as simple as 2 sandbags. The fabric here, that is an outdoor material that can last in any kind of weather, so don't fear dirt or mold or anything at all. Why do we use sand? Because sand absorbs, stone doesn't. That means when there's windy conditions, it really holds the parasol in place. It's very easy to fill our sandbags, put the plastic bag inside the fabric bag and fill it with sand. The sand you can get in any DIY store. When you have filled the sandbag like this, take the plastic bag and fold it a couple of times and then lock here and you're ready to go. Should the sandbags or the fabric bags be a little bit of dirty or anything, you can always wash them at 30 degrees. They'll be as new. So what kind of benefits does a customer say we have? Even in heavy winds, it's very stable, but it's still easy to move. It's no problem for any kind of surface. It just stands there. The kids can run around on the terrace without hitting their feet on a very hard concrete. And it's very nice that you can put table and chairs very close to the parasol base, using it much better. Actually, it's just finally a parasol base that works. Some people say that this is maybe an expensive product, but damn, the normal product, it's rusty, it doesn't work. This one really does the job. We also have a customer named Tanya. She wrote to us, finally, this is a parasol base I can even move. There's also another house owner who said, I've been a house owner for 10 years, and in 10 years I have missed this product. Now he has our product and he's totally happy about it. So I hope you got everything you need to know. If you have any questions or comments, you're welcome to send us an email or go onto our homepage. See you.